everybody, welcome back to the Crafty Bee Budgeting channel. Today I'm going to show y'all how to turn tubes, small tubes and scrunchy size tubes into lanyards and wristlets. So stay tuned, here I go. Okay, so here I go with this 13-inch tube. So what I'm going to do now is flip this tube. So what I'm going to do is put this inside of here. No, I need a smaller one. I need my little smaller turner here. So I'll take this and slide it inside here to turn it. Flipped it inside out. So the next thing I'm going to do is sew down each side. So the seam, I put this in the middle of where I want the back to be. So I'm just going to go down one side and up the other. Just try to sew as close as you can to the edge. So here I go. Okay, y'all, my battery died, but here it goes right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to trim up these little straight threads here. Okay, so this is what it looks like. This is the front. That's going to be the back. And the next thing I'm going to do is add the hardware. Be right back. Okay, so now all I have to do is add the clip on it. So I'm going to sew across here, and then I'm going to add this to it. Be right back. So now all I have to do is just trim this. See? And this raw edge is going to be covered with this. So let me get my tool and then we can pull out away. Okay. Here's my lamper. So the way I do it is I set this inside here. See? I set that inside there. Got the little keychain to the side. Then I just pretty much look, make sure it's not going over the edge. And then I squeeze. you go. Simple little wristlet. I don't like to iron. Let me zoom out a little bit. I don't like to iron. I don't like adding all that usable, oh, what do you call that stuff? The stabilizer, all that. This right here, after this, I just get rid of the little loose threads I might see along the side. But here's a wristlet. No ironing, no stabilizers. This cut down on cost. That stabilizer is not cheap. Ironing, it's hot in this warehouse. I don't like whipping out that iron in the summer in Texas in a big metal box. So this right here, it saves on time, money, and heat stroke. So just add this to your keychain and you have a little wristlet. So y'all have any comments or questions, drop them below. Please subscribe, turn on that notification bell, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.